During my time with the Soweto Youth Initiative, I hold an interactive class for 20 teenage girls from the Kahawa Soweto slum on a Saturday. Knowing that everyone's attention span is short these days, I knew a traditional mom presentation just wouldn't work that well. I wanted this hour to be something they would enjoy and remember. So I decided to make it completely interactive. The day before, I went to Quick Mart, a local grocery market, and bought chocolate cookies and waffle cookies. My plan was simple. We would cover four crucial topics: self belief and confidence, education and dreams, health, right, and safety. And the last one is community leadership. For each topic, I had written three personal mottos. I lived five, making 12 in total. When the class began, I distributed these mottos. Each girl who received one would come up to the blackboard, write it for everyone to see, and then we would all read it out loud together.
So I think I've got everything that I need. I just wait everything to wrap it up here and move to the site to witness the grand opening, and it will be plenty of time for me to prepare the presentation because that'll be after lunch around 2 p.m. and now it's only 11:05, so I do have plenty of time to prepare. And in this women empowerment speech, I plan to deliver 4 sections. So let me see if I can remember everything. So the first one is self-belief and identity. The second one is education and dreams. And the third one is health, safety, and rights. And the last section is community and leadership.
After that, I will share the personal story behind why that motto matters to me. But the most powerful part was when I encouraged them to share their own stories to make it fun. Every girl who wrote a motto on the board got a chocolate cookie, and every girl brave enough to share her story received a waffle cookie. We went through all 12 mottos in this way, and by the end, the room was filled with their voices and their courage. We wrapped up by reading all the mottos aloud together one last time.
Deserve to be heard. And the second section is about education and dreams. Learning is fun and open doors. My education is key to my future. I am building the skills for my dream career. And the third section is about health, safety, and rights. I am informed, I am protected, and I know to get help. My body belongs to me, and I must keep it safe and healthy. And the last section is about community leadership. My body and I have the right to be safe. I am be a leader and help my community. I am change maker in my community. We are stronger when we work together. Yeah!
I even managed to record some of their feedback right after the class.
Final comment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing your story with us. We have understand anything that you have taught us. Everything. I have understand me personally. I am smart. I am strong. and that I have power to be heard by everyone I want to be. Yeah.
Yep. Thank you. You've learned everything. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for this chance. You have sacrificed your time and be able to share and motivate us, and we have learned something, and at least be able to
share with you.
Yes, to share with us.
Thank you.
But there was one last and perhaps most important mission for my visit. I wanted to find a way to sponsor a girl's return to school, with the goal of supporting her all the way through high school. I met this girl called Petrolina.
Hi. You want to say hi to camera? Say hi. And your name? And how old are you? Ah. You made that. You made that from scratch. That's nice. Yeah, that's my volunteer shirt.
She's 11 years old, but she was forced to drop out of school almost 2 years ago due to an unfortunate family circumstance. Her mother suffered from domestic violence and had to flee with her children. Now, finance is a big problem and education has felt impossible.
2 robots.
Yes, a baby and a father.
And there's a baby of the robots.
A mother and a father.
And the baby?
Yes.
My sponsorship will cover her school fees, supplies, and uniform, the essential things she needs to learn and feel confident. I told the organization that this is just a starting point, a way to build a connection. My goal is that later, when I'm more capable, I can come back and do more to support children's futures, starting with hers. This all happened on September 27th, a significant day because it was also the official opening of Community Empowerment Center under the Kahawa Soweto Training Institute, KSTI.
You are so pretty. Oh. Oh no, it happened.
You can open the gate. You can open and then you go in.
Wow.
Kuja ufungue hapa.
Kumefunguliwa ji kote. Afungue hiyo ukuta.
We have the seal of the building, and we are going to help us to open officially the building. Okay. And 2, 1, go! Yes, welcome so much. Thank you so much. So this is our training institute. Here is level now. Here we go.
Take this opportunity to thank Gite and her partners and everyone who participated in building this institution. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. We love you so much. Because of you, we are here. We're gonna learn more. We take you like one of us. We're supposed to give you a Kenyan name. I think we should give you, they say we call you Shiko. From now on, Gite is no longer Gite, we give her a Kenyan name, Wajiko. Say Wajiko. So this is a cake to commemorate this day. Mama, I remember you taught us how to bake like many years ago.
Yeah.
You taught us how to bake.
Carrot cake.
Now this time you will not be teaching us, we'll be teaching others. Thank you so much. Today is a big day for all of us.
Yeah.
Welcome to Soweto and welcome to Kahawa Soweto Training Institute.
Thank you.
You are most welcome. one, you will be the one giving everyone.
Yeah.
The center, right in the heart of the community, is now a beacon of hope, learning, and opportunity. It's a transformative space designed to equip young people with practical skills, knowledge, and resources to unlock their full potential. From vocational training and entrepreneurship to digital literacy and leadership, KSTI will be a hub for innovation and community-driven change. The organization expressed its deepest gratitude to everyone, the team, sponsors, volunteers, and community members who believed in this vision from the start. All their contributions turned a bold idea into a powerful reality. As the doors of KSTI open, they open to endless possibilities for the community of Soweto and beyond. This journey has just begun, and its impact will be felt for generations. I know that my one speech might not be enough to change the entire community, but there are new volunteers coming in every single month, and that accumulated effect will be impactful. I learned that 10 years ago, when one of the biggest sponsors first volunteered, there wasn't even a proper shelter. When it rained, the playground would turn to mud. To see the progress made over the last decade, from that muddy field to this new center, was incredible. It was my genuine pleasure to play a small part in this ongoing story during my visit. I kept thinking about what truly creates change. It's not one great moment, but 1,000 small ones. It's every cookie shared, every story spoken out loud, and every volunteer who gives their Saturday. It's the hope we can give to one child like Petrolina. It's accumulation of those moments over a decade that turns a muddy field into a beacon of hope. The journey for them and for the community is just beginning, and I believe with all my heart that their collective impact will be felt for generations to come. And now to you for watching our story and for caring. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Ready?